Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you book exercises of your chapter 7. Everyone please take out your books and come to page number 67. Story comprehension. Take the correct option. This story is about options are a clever queen, a foolish servant and ancient king. Story किसके बारे में थी? A foolish servant. Second, the shop owner wanted to pour oil into a shirt. B. On Rama's head. C. Into a vessel. Shopkeeper को किस में pour करना था oil? Into a vessel. Rama wanted a big needle because it had to be carried by 4 people. B. The queen had ordered such a needle. C. The shop owner gave him a large needle. It had to be carried by 4 people is the correct option. Fourth, the queen dismissed because dash Rama. She was angry with him. B. The needle was lost. C. He refused to give her the needle. She was angry with him. Option A is the correct answer. Answer with reference to context. First, Rama, bring me some oil from the market. Who said these words? The queen said these words. B. Was Rama able to take back the oil as required? Why? No, Rama wasn't able to take back the oil as required because he had forgotten to take any vessel to carry oil. रामा क्यों नहीं लेके आ पाया था ऑयल? क्योंकि वो वेसल ही नहीं ले गया था जिसमें वो ऑयल लेके आता. Second, now Rama was in a fix. A. Why was Rama in a fix? Rama क्यों fix में था? Rama was in a fix because he couldn't find a bigger needle which could be carried by 4 people. Because उसे उतनी बड़ी needle नहीं मिल रही थी कि वो 4 लोग जो थे वो उठा पाए. Turn your page. B. What did he not want to do? He did not want to disappoint the queen and go back empty-handed. उसे क्वीन को डिसअपॉइंट नहीं करना था इसलिए उसे खाली हाथ वापस नहीं जाना था. थर्ड, दे यूज लार्ज निडल्स टू स्टिच द पेजेस ऑफ बुक्स. यू कैन बाय वन ऑफ दोज फॉर हर मैजेस्टी. हु इज यू इन द सेंटेंस अबव? यू इन द अबव सेंटेंस इज रामा. बी. वुड द क्वीन हैव बीन हैप्पी विद अ निडल यूज्ड टू बाइंड बुक्स? No, the queen wouldn't have been happy because she wouldn't have been able to stitch her gown with a needle used to bind books. क्या क्वीन खुश होती है वो बाइंड करने की निडल ले जाता बुक्स बाइंड करने की? नहीं, क्योंकि क्वीन को तो गाउन स्टिच करना था तो वो उस निडल से हैप्पी नहीं होती. नंबर द इवेंट्स करेक्टली अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टोरी. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ इवेंट्स दिए हैं, आपको नंबर करने हैं करेक्टली. चलिए देखते हैं कौन सा वाला फर्स्ट होगा. अपना फर्स्ट होगा जो 4th नंबर पे है. द क्वीन डिसमिस रामा. नेक्स्ट, द क्वीन टोल्ड रामा टू टेक 4 सर्वेंट्स विथ हिम व्हेन ही वेंट टू द मार्केट. नेक्स्ट होगा द शॉप ओनर laughed and poured the oil into Rama's pocket. And 4th one is the shop owner took him to the wholesale market. 5th is he went to the market to buy oil without taking a vessel with him. And 6th is Rama was employed as the chef servant by the queen. 7th is Rama carved out a huge needle from a tree trunk. Okay students? Okay, turn your page. Next page, words that matter. E. Some words have an opposite meaning to the given words are known as antonyms. कुछ words होते हैं जिनके बिल्कुल opposite meaning होते हैं, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Antonyms. Find the antonyms of the following words. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ words दिए हैं, उनके antonyms आपको find out करने हैं. Patient, impatient, come, go. come का मतलब आना होता है, go का मतलब जाना. Laugh, cry, हंसना रोना. Dismiss, appoint. Dismiss मतलब हटाना, appoint मतलब रखना. 5th, empty, full. Empty मतलब खाली, full मतलब भरा हुआ. डिफिकल्ट ईजी, डिफिकल्ट मतलब टफ, ईजी मतलब सिंपल. फ्यूरियस काम, फ्यूरियस मीन्स बहुत गुस्से वाला, काम मीन्स गुस्सा जिसको नहीं आता हो या कम आता हो. फिफ्थ, F. Replace the highlighted words with their antonyms and rewrite the sentences. First, we must unite to fight the enemy. We should not be disunited to fight the enemy. आपको replace करने हैं ये जो words हैं antonyms से. तो हमने unite का क्या कर दिया? disunite. Next, the water in the vessel begin to boil. यहाँ पे अपन को begin का क्या करना है? Stopped. बाकी पूरा सेम रहेगा. He sold the pen with a loss. Sold का हमने क्या कर दिया? bought. He bought the pen at a loss. Fourth, we must be impolite to our helpers. Impolite का क्या होगा? polite. We must be polite to our helpers. Fifth, the hero was given a medal by the police. Hero का क्या हो जाएगा? villain. The villain was given a punishment by the police. The story has a tragic ending. Tragic का क्या कर दिया हमने? happy. He used a blunt knife to cut apples. Blunt का हमने sharp कर दिया. This sum is quite complex. This sum is quite simple. Complex का क्या कर दिया? simple. Okay students.